Hello, everybody. Welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us. We are going to get started by starting right up here at the front counter with a few new things to show you. First off, we've got the Choose Joy event that is coming up this week. It's this Friday and Saturday. We still have a few spaces left, so if you want to last minute sign up and join our fun event that we are having, definitely call soon so that you can reserve a space. We have lots of fun things we're doing that day. We're creating this beautiful project here, this great embroidery project. It says Choose Joy today, and this little flower here, you'll get a few interchangeable little decorations depending on the season. So you can see you've got the flower here, and then we've also got the there's a snowflake, a little acorn, so you can choose which one you'd like to change throughout the year, which is pretty cool. For this event, we will be providing all the machines, the kits for the event, and all of the, we'll have lunch and all sorts of goodies. And then we also have some OESD things that have come in from them, some new things. And if you are signed up and you come to the event, you will be getting a special deal on those OESD things. So it's going to be a great time. We're really looking forward to it. We're going to start setting up tomorrow. So there's still some time to sign up, and definitely highly recommend it. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, and next up, if you've watched our live streams for a little while now, you'll know that at the start of them, we started doing a notion of the week. So every week we'll have a new notion or notions that will be 20% off throughout the week. So we're gonna start doing that again. So this week we are doing all things ruler related. So we've got the True Grips, which are our favorite little grippy tabs to put on your ruler so there's no sliding. And then we've got a couple other notions here as well. So lots of fun things here. Later on our Whatnot, which we have some stuff here to show you, I will be doing a little demo on the True Grips to show you kind of how to use them, how it works best to use each little grip, and show you how fantastic they are. So if you do want to join our Whatnot later on this afternoon, we're starting at 4. You can download the app if you don't have it already, and sign up for it. We're just the Quilting Bee on there, so you can find us pretty easily. And then we do, so it's, if you're not familiar, it is a live streaming app where you can purchase things as you watch, which is really cool. Today we are doing all things kind of Halloween related. We're getting closer to that, so we really want to show you all of our fantastic Halloween stuff. So we've got some really cool things. We'll give you a little sneak peek here of all of the fat quarters and some little kits that we have that we will be selling on there later. So these are super exciting. We're very happy to be doing that later on, and we really hope that you join us for that. Okay, now heading around the corner here, we have another very exciting thing to show off. We are so proud of her. Our very own Kate, who you may know here at the store, has designed her very own fabric line. So we did it through Paintbrush Studio fabrics, so they feel absolutely gorgeous. So soft, and just the color is just spot on. It's just what we were thinking that Kate wanted. Really cool, like mod designs. It's just fantastic. We are so proud of her. We released this one a little early before our November QB Creators event. So we'll have a little bit more then as well, but we wanted to give this one kind of its own little special time. So we have this right on the end here going into our modern section. We've got some lovely art gallery pure solids down there to go with it. If you come in, you'll see we have a whole little sign here with information from Kate that she put together for us. So definitely stop by and support. We are so happy about this, and we hope that you love it just as much as we do. It's just so very special. So this is fantastic. We'll be doing lots of things with this one for sure that we will show you in the future also. Okay. And then moving on this way, we have this wonderful line here at the table. This one is from Michael Miller. This is Big Sky Country. It is an adorable sort of country western theme. So you've got that lovely embossed leather, these really cool geometric prints, and then you've got the horses and the lassos and these adorable boots and saddles. And then you've got this great border print as well with all of these cowboy boots. So if you're looking for more of like a Western or horse themed line, this one is fantastic. We've had a few people asking about it recently, so we were really happy to get this one in. It's going to be, I think, a good seller because it's just so darn cute. Okay, and then working our way over to this side, we've got a few Christmas lines to show you. So first off, we're gonna start right here on the end here. So these first two boxes that you see here are from Robert Kaufman. They are called Holiday Flourish. They are your more traditional style fabrics. You've got the beautiful reds and greens with those pops of metallic gold. You've got some lovely scrolls, some nice textures. These larger florals are very nice. These ones are just classics, and I think everyone is kind of always looking for this style of fabric at some point. So we wanted to show it off right here. On the bottom, we've got another more traditional line. This one is by Hoffman, and it's called Holiday Elegance. Again, same traditional reds and greens with the little pops of metallic gold. And you've got the beautiful ornaments there. On this side, it was a little different than the color scheme we had going on here. So we've got a couple more lines from Hoffman as a part of that Holiday Elegance line, but it's in these whites and grays with the softer greens and golds. So if you want something a little more cool toned, maybe more wintry, we've got this side as well. Okay, and then moving on this direction into more of our holiday stuff. On this side right here, we have a couple other brand new Christmas lines. So first off, right up top here, we've got Holiday at Home from Moda. It's this very cute sort of country chic line with the text and these cute little houses. And you've got some lovely foliage in here as well. It has a lot of really lovely green tones. Black is kind of the main darker contrast neutral, which is a pretty cool, more modern design. We love to see a variety of Christmas things. And then right down here, right below that one, is another new line. This one is also by Hoffman. It's called Cozy Cottage. I love the cable knit look on this print in particular, and it's got this silver metallic over top to make it look real wintry and cozy. This one has a few different winter holiday motifs on there. So you've got the stockings and the holiday cookies. So this one is very soft and sort of a lighter take on some of the other cozy Christmas collections. So we're still building off of our Christmas section here, kind of goes down there where we just were. And as we saw last week, we are moving more of our holiday stuff kind of down this center section as well. So we'll kind of update you as it starts to move around a little bit more. Okay, and last but not least, we've got this line on the counter here. This one is also from Robert Kaufman. It is called Midnight in the Jungle. It is a really gorgeous, vibrant collection. All of these wonderful jungle prints. You've got the tiger stripes and the cheetah print, but with definitely more of a modern take with these really vivid colors that kind of create that really cool, almost textured 3D look. So definitely more modern if you're looking for more of a modern jungle print. I would love to see what people come up with for this collection, because I think it's going to be really cool, kind of no matter how you put it together, it's going to have a different look. So we're very excited about this one in particular. Okay. So that is all of the fabric we have to show you today. We hope you enjoyed all of the new fabric lines that we have in. Just a reminder on that notion of the week as well, you can keep an eye out for those. We'll probably have a little spot that we're gonna put all of the notions of the week again with a little sign so you'll be able to find it. But this week it's all of those special sort of cutting aids and helpers to make your cutting more smooth and stress-free. So there's that. And then also later on, don't forget to join us for our Halloween live stream on Whatnot with all of that fantastic Halloween fabric and notions and kits and all sorts of stuff. So very excited. We always do a little giveaway on there as well. So that's always really fun for us to do also. So please join us for that a little later on. And then again, it is your last chance to sign up for the Choose Joy event this weekend. It's going to be so much fun, and we would love to have you join us for that event. So if you're on the fence about it, give us a call and we can always give you more details about that. So that ends our tour for the day. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate all of you that spend the time to join us on our little tour of the store. So thank you so much, and we will see you hopefully later on or next Wednesday for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.